Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom, and today we're going to be looking at my Zender Fact 4s by Hot Wheels. This is episode 4, I believe, of my collection tour, and this is a series where I slowly but surely show off my entire collection. So, I'm just going to get started. The Zender Fact 4 by Hot Wheels was based off of the Zender Bit Turbo 4, I believe, that's what it's called. Had an Audi engine in it, and it was a prototype car, a real prototype car that never left the prototype stage. There was also a roadster version of it, or a spider version, I believe, that had less horsepower, but it also did not ever reach production. So these cars are based off of a real prototype car that never reached production. So I'm going to show all these off in order. I have a carded one here that we're going to open today, and I have 4 loose ones, so I'm going to show them in order of how old they are. So the first one we're going to be taking a look at is this purple one, collector number 177 from 1992. That is right, this is a old release. This casting was released in 1991 and it stopped production in 2009. So we see this one in a really thick metal flake purple, and as you can see, this has a lot of glitter in it. There is no tampos whatsoever. This comes with the Ultra Hot wheels in chrome, and we have a orange interior and base, which is connected. You can see the 1990 copyright. This particular release was made in Malaysia, and collector number 177 for 1992. You can see all that really thick metal flake purple, and this one is not in the best condition. We've got some wear on the chrome on the wheels, big chunk of the paint taken out of that, the race bar there, and there's a bunch of chips somewhere on the mirror here. You can see the wear on top and on the window. I picked this one up in a bin of cars at a yard sale. Got a decent deal on it, so I don't mind getting 90s Hot Wheels for 50 cents. You can see how thick that metal flake is. I just really like the glitter on this one, and this is like a sports car basically. I'm not sure what it looks like besides the Zender Fact, but any car that I know of, I'm not sure what it looks like. Maybe like a Ferrari F40 or something. That's the closest thing I can think of that looks like this. And it's got the taillights there. Like, I think that's supposed to be like. Oh wait, that's the exhaust right there. So I'm not sure what those are. Probably like, I don't even know what they're called. And yep, the orange interior. This little thing on the back. There's the spoiler in the back there. And we got headlights. The headlights actually connect to the windshield. This is a 2-door vehicle, and this is the earliest release I have of it. It came in silver in 1991. So this is collector number 177. And I'm not sure, but I believe that this car came in 3 different collector numbers for the Blue Card series. The silver one was obviously an earlier release, but I forgot what number that was. The glitter one is number 177. Then in 1993, we had collector number 228, and this one came in Metal Flake Blue with the Ultra Hots. It could also come, so this one has the black interior and black tinted windows. This one happens to be in mint condition. I bought it at my hobby shop. Like this, it was loose when I bought it, and this is a very cool car. I mean, I really like it. It's mint. And this is the most popular, the most common version for 1993, number 228, collector number. And this one has black interior with the black tinted windows. And something that would be even more rare is black tinted windows with a gray interior. And then, of course, the rarest version for 228 is the same one with clear windows and a gray interior. And that one's probably like a $25 car, I believe. But this one's only worth like $2 to $3 USD. But it's still a beautiful car. I still love it. And yeah, Ultra Hot wheels. And not really much tampo work on this one, but you can see it says Zender Fact 4 right on the hood. Whoops, sorry, I knocked that a little bit. So my setup is kind of loose, but you can see the tampos right there. It says Zender Fact 4 in white and yellow on the hood. And there's a grill, the grill there. And yeah, really nice looking car. Love the big spoiler in the back. And just beautiful. You can see the details in this one much clearer, because this one with all the glitter is just kind of crazy. You can't really see much on it. But this one you can. This one actually has some tampos, black interior, really clean car. And you can hear the birds chirping in the background. I can. I don't know if you can. This vehicle has mirrors, so this casting actually has mirrors to it, which I really like. This one was also made in Malaysia, and this has a black plastic base, and the other one had an orange plastic base. So 228 collector number. Really cool. All right, this one is a Hormel chili one. So this is a Hormel Foods promo, which came out in 1995. Only came in a baggie. It was a mail away exclusive car. I got this at one of my hobby shops. I think this is a really cool release. And it is not mint. It's got a few flaws, but it's very near mint. As you can see, it has the same tempo as the 1993 release, just the colors are switched around on the tampos. I think that's really cool, because Fact 4 is written in yellow here, white here. Zender is written in yellow, white here and yellow on the Hormel Foods promo. So, you can see, these also have really stiff axles. You can see I can't really push them up, and this is how they spin. It's like that really tight roll. Really stiff axles, really stiff rolling wheels, but they still roll well. I think these would go pretty fast on the track. Definitely kind of fast looking cars, and I love the Ultra Hot Wheels. This one also came in Ultra Hot Wheels and in a beautiful enamel red color. No metal flake to this one whatsoever, while the other vehicles that I have, all the other ones I have are metal flake. This is the only enamel paint Zender Fact 4 that I have so far. So it says Hormel Chili on the side in yellow with some orange flames. This one has completely black tinted windows, leading me to believe that this car has no interior. Doesn't weigh any different than the other ones I have, but I feel like maybe this does have an interior, but it's unseen. But you definitely cannot see the interior because the windows are completely black, as you can see. So this one also has completely black tinted headlights because the headlights are connected to the front, so that's a dead giveaway that we know we can't see the interior. And there is the grill. Awesome cars. Take a nice look at this one up close. So yeah, this one has a couple paint chips on the back as well. And one thing I really do not like, I think it is a mark right here. I could probably get that off, but I've already tried getting marker off before, and it didn't even work. I used rubbing alcohol. And this one has a black plastic base as well, same as the 228. But this is a 1995 release. No collector number on this one because it is a food promo that came in a bag. Not too common of a piece, not too rare. Probably a $5 piece we have right here. And next up, we have the 1995 collector number 287 Steel Stamp release. So this one was released in 1995, and this was released after the Solid Blue Card series, which only went up to 274 releases. This is number 287 in Metal Flake Purple. I love this beautiful color. This one is probably one of my favorite releases of this car. And it's just phenomenal. It's just the 5-spoke variation. I believe it also came with Ultra Hots, 3 spokes, and I think that's it, actually. I'm not sure, though. The Ultra Hot one also came in a 2-pack steel stamp release. Came with a, I'm not sure, like, it was a steel stamp passion. Like a purple passion, but steel stamp. I'm not sure why they call these steel stamp. but I love this one. I love this release so much. It's Metal Flake Purple, one of my favorite colors for cars. There we go. I can't talk. Let's start at the back here. This one is not mint, but it is kind of close to mint. I mean, I thought I saw some paint scrapes on the back of this one, but nope, I only see like one. Right there, you can see that. But this car is in really nice condition. I got this at one of those Goodwill kind of stores with those bags of cars hanging on the wall. I think it's called Savers or something. 5-spoke wheels on this release. 1995 release. This one has beautiful pink and blue splatters of paint with gold pinstripes. I think that's really cool. This one has a tan interior with smoke-tinted windows. You can see how that line kind of hooks around. You can see that line again on the other side. And actually, the line is separate on the hood. It's called a hood. And then we have the grill here, and it's got a big dent in the front of the grill. And then we also have the damage on the front. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for the damage on it. Just a couple little scrapes on the window and some dents in the front. And yep, that's pretty much it. And then we have the black plastic base on this one as well. This one has a black plastic base. This is also made in Malaysia. Alright, so this is a pretty cool release. Love this one a lot. Now here we go. We have another release of collector number 228. So this is a recolor of this one. But this one came out 4 years after this one. This is a 1997 release. As you can see, the number is 4407. Based on a sporty import, Zender Fact 4, number 228. You can see the beautiful card art. Card is not very mint. It looks kind of mint, but it's got soft corners, and it just doesn't look as good outside. See, it's got some kind of blemish right there, and it's just... I'd rather have this loose on my Plano cases anyways. You can see it says, look for the real Hot Wheels race car on TV. Diecast metal and plastic parts. And collector number 228. There's a collector tip, the Treasure Hunt series, 1995. Those are very uncommon cars. 1996 copyright. This vehicle is made in China. But we'll have a better look at that once we get it open. So this didn't go very cleanly, but I believe this has a Metal Flake cherry red color, I think. There's the open, really small blister, I think. And look at this, beautiful, newly opened Zender Fact 4 with a slight metal flake in the red paint, but it's just beautiful. Wow, this is fresh, made in China, so it's got the China 5-spoke wheels. You can see how the China 5-spoke wheels look different than the Malaysia 5-spoke wheels. You can see it's kind of got a deep dish between the rim and the tire. Don't know how well you can see that, but this got a beautiful cherry red color. It's gorgeous. I love the tampos too. It's got black and gold tampos. Clear windows with a tan interior. There's the back of it there. Completely mint, new out of the package. Metal flake. You can see the metal flake. Thin metal flake in this, but it's got metal flake. Metallic. It's got, yep, black plastic base. Clear headlights. It's like a V on the front. And the Zender Fact 4 is a stick shift, I believe. Actually, no. I'm not sure. It might be an automatic. Anyway, gorgeous car. 5-spoke wheels. And the windows always have scuffing on them, no matter how new they are, apparently. So, yep, this one's made in China. And nice glossy black plastic base. Again, really thick spinning wheels. I mean, like, really, like, tight axles. So now we have 5 loose variations of the Zender Fact 4. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.